Hello students, this is the last video of chapter 5, Footprint Without Feet. So, in these points, Griffin's claws and bandages were lying on the floor. It means when Mr. and Mrs. Hall found the room empty, they became surprised to see Griffin cloths and bandages which were lying on the floor. Suddenly, the hat jumped and struck Mrs. Hall's face. Then the chair jumped and charged at her. It means suddenly Dick watched a hat which was jumped up and down and had attacked on the face of Mrs. Hall. With it, the chair also jumped and charged at her. The couple was afraid to see the scene of Griffin's room. They cried and ran downstairs. The neighbors gathered there. It means both thought and imagined there were a ghost in the room of Griffin. They cried with fear and ran downstairs and came out from the room. They thought that Griffin was responsible for all that, and a police was called. To listen the noise, the neighbors gathered there and thought that there was happening due to absence of Griffin, who was responsible for the mistakes. And after this, a police called there. So the invisible man sneaked into his room without anyone notice and came down. It means invisible man means Griffin sneaked means entered into the room so quietly and nobody could see him to come in the room. Griffin and Mrs. Hall had a quarrel. It means Mrs. Hall again went into the room of Griffin, and to see Griffin, Mrs. Hall had started to quarrel with him. He became angry. Means Griffin became angry and he threw off his bandages, spectacles, and false nose. Now he was wearing clothes, but his body was not visible above the neck. It means Griffin became angry, and being angry, he threw off his bandages, spectacles, and his pasted false nose. Now he was dressed, but he was not seen to anybody. His clothes and only nose were visible in the room. So the people were horrified when they saw a headless man. People became horrified to see a headless man, and just then the policeman came. He was also surprised when he saw a headless man. Means when Griffin saw the police, he ran out from there, and the police also ran after him to catch him. But Griffin started taking off his clothes. He became completely invisible. But at running time, Griffin again started to take off his clothes and threw on the road. Now he was completely invisible, and those who tried to catch him got blows out of the air. Soon Griffin became free. Nobody knew where to lay a hand on him. It means the police tried to catch him, but he became invisible in the air. Now Griffin became free. Nobody knew about him, where he changed his directions and also his way. Griffin came out of the inn and started walking on the road. Now he was again free free a man. It means Griffin left the room of inn which has taken on rent in the Iping and started to walk on the road, and now he was again free man who could not seen by anyone easily. Okay, students.